Hello ladies and gentlemen, 52superluigi here, and I figure we'd do a little shopping today, like opening up some chests. So for you guys that play League of Legends, well, let me move this out of the way a little bit. It's bad enough my face is blocking everything, well, up there anyway, but for you guys that play League of Legends, you know about the hex chests and shit like that, and that you could get hex tech. The only way to get hex tech Annie or skins that aren't in the stores anymore are for these. Like for example, I got Secret Agent Misfortune from these because she was a limited skin and now she isn't because she's gone. She was limited, no more. The only way you get skins that were limited or rare skins is through these. So I have 13 of these boxes, or chests rather, and 13 keys. So we got 13 to open. I figure I record and see if I get anything good, and I figure you guys would like my reactions to them. So we'll open the first one. Let's see what we got. Well, not bad. I don't own the dude, but we'll put that to loots. Alright, next will be to open another one. See what we get. Alright, another champion that I can't use. Cool, or another skin rather, but that's okay because you can mix them up. Alright, so now let's open another one. On the 11th one, got 10 more left. Or on the 3rd one, I should say. I already got that skin! So now what we can do is we can go and re-roll into a random skin. So now I could take that one, that one, and that one, and then I could re-roll them because I don't have any of this. Well, I already have the E one, and the other two I don't have. So let's see what we get. Alright, well my luck isn't good so far, but that is a rare skin. Unfortunately, I don't own that champion. Ooh. Very nice, very nice. Alright, so let's open another one. This is number 4, I believe? Yeah, what is the 4th one? Hey, I got more orange. Cool. This isn't going good so far. Ooh, nice. That's a 2014. I don't even see that in the store. I believe that might be rare. Cool. So that's a summoner skin, or I mean a summoner icon. Yeah, a summoner icon picture. All right, now opening. We have 8 more left. What do we got? What do we got? I'll take it. I'll take it. I own Twitch. I don't know what this means right here. Alright, let's see what else I got. Hey, I'll take it. Sweetheart Sona. I got Sona. I'll take that skin too. Alright. I have 6 more after this. Come on. Give me something juicy. It's free champion. Fuck it. We'll put her in there too. So let's see. Now we will open this one. We have 5 left. Oh shit! I don't have Lisa now. It's okay. We could randomize his ass. All right. So epic skin. They're all epic? Oh no, he's epic. Champion not on. So since I don't own this nigga, I'm gonna re-roll. So him. I like the Sona. I main Sona, and I like Sona. So those two. That one I'll keep. But these 3. Oh yeah. Come on. Give me something juicy. God damn it, I don't own him. That is a rare skin though. That's what he used to look like back in the old days. But I don't fucking own him. Or do. Oh wait, I do own him. I'm a fucking idiot. Okay, never mind. Otherwise I wouldn't have gotten the skin. Shows you how much I play him. Alright, so time to open. We have 4 left. Come on, boys. Hextech Annie anywhere? Maybe? I already got that. Well. Wow. So, you know what I just did? Because this is what happens. You use the orange ones for skins and you use the blue ones for champions. So now, because of that, I have enough to get my... I don't have enough. Oh, that's poop. I'm like, damn, I'm like 25 short or some shit. Alright, well I know I could get this skin. Wow, I'm too short for that too. Well, let's see what else we get here and see if I could use it some benefits. Alright, so, let's see. We have 2 more after this, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, cool, I guess. Damn it! I don't really want that. Well, that gives me red. Well, I can fucking do this, because I don't want it. And now I have enough for the Sona skin. Alright, so now we're gonna open this. Give me something juicy. Something juicy? Works for me. Hey, I got the summoners. I got the summoner's lovely heart, whatever the fuck that was. Alright, on to the next one. These are the last 2. After this is 1 more left. Come on, give me something juicy. The only thing I really like so far is the Sona skin, honestly. I mean, I'm okay with maybe a... Hey, another champion. Okay. Still the most thing I like right now is the Sona skin, so. Ooh, gemstone. Ooh, that's how you get her. Alright, that's like, you have to get like 50 of those to get Annie, I believe. Alright, now. Last one. What is it? What is it? Alright. That's not bad. Not bad. Alright, so not bad, man. You know what I mean? I got this, which I could put into a chest or collect more to get Annie, and then you know, I got